Are you ready to make a move on Nikola stock? Today, we're taking a deep dive into Nikola. We've already shared our initial report, but now we're back with an even more detailed analysis just for you. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our essential updates. Stay in the loop and make the most informed investment decisions. Supercharge your trading game with our brand new AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Tap into the immense power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for over 25,000 companies worldwide. But remember, this video is for informational purposes only and should not be mistaken for financial advice. Hey there! Guess what? Since September 27, 2023, our amazing system has ranked Nikola as a buy candidate with an impressive score of 2.65. But wait, it gets even better. Let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Brace yourself for this incredible news. The stock has seen a gain of 5.77%. Mind-blowing, right? This means that on average, you could have earned a whopping 2.88% return per day since it was listed as a buy candidate. Brace yourself for some exciting insights. The stock we're discussing today finds itself in the midst of a wide and downward trend, which could mean big things for investors. Let's take a closer look at the short-term outlook. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of 24.44% in the next 3 months. However, there's also a chance for returns between -84.19% and 29.55%. Quite a range, isn't it? Now, fast forward to the long-term view. Over the next 12 months, the trend suggests a significant drop of 38.25%. This translates to a potential return ranging from -100.00% to 15.87%. Can you imagine the possibilities? So, after a year, the stock could potentially be worth anywhere between $0 and $1.91. It's a wild ride, but it's also an opportunity for those who dare to seize it. Welcome back to our daily update on Nikola. Today's headline reads, "Hold on tight." Nikola's stock price takes a wild ride, jumping between $1.50 and $1.69. In the latest trading session, Thursday, September 28, 2023, Nikola's stock price surged by 5.77%, climbing from $1.56 to $1.65. This marks its 4th consecutive day of gains. Will the momentum continue or will we see a temporary pause in the coming days? Brace yourself. The stock witnessed a 12.33% fluctuation throughout the day, hitting a low of $1.50 and a high of $1.69. Over the past 2 weeks, it has recorded an impressive 43.48% increase, with 6 out of the last 10 days showing upward movement. On Thursday, approximately 70 million shares worth $115.54 million were traded, with a decrease of 593,000 shares compared to the previous day. Keep an eye on falling volume at higher prices, as it may signal potential changes in the near future. Let's zoom out and take a longer-term perspective. In the past 52 weeks, Nikola's stock reached a peak of $3.97 and a bottom of $0.521. As of now, the current price stands at $2.32 below the 52-week high, representing a decline of 58.44%. Moreover, it sits at a staggering 98.24% below its all-time high of $93.99, reached on June 9, 2020. These figures showcase the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead for Nikola. Breaking Analyst Ratings, Nikola Corporation. Exciting news for Nikola Corporation. On September 14, 2022, B. Riley upgraded their rating on NKLA to a buy grade, urging investors to take action. But wait, there's more. RBC Capital also chimed in on September 14, 2022, giving NKLA an outperform grade. This is a clear indication of their confidence in the company's future. Not to be outdone, Cowen and Company joined the chorus of positive ratings on September 14, 2022, with an overweight grade for NKLA. This suggests that they believe the stock is undervalued and has potential for significant growth. And the good news keeps rolling in. Raymond James, on September 14, 2022, gave NKLA a strong buy grade. This is a compelling endorsement that should catch the attention of investors. Last but not least, Loop Capital Markets also showed their confidence in NKLA by giving it a buy grade on September 14, 2022. With multiple positive ratings, the future looks promising for Nikola Corporation. The analyst's verdict on Nikola stock is in, and it's causing quite a stir. Let's dive into the ratings. The PE ratio is being hailed as a strong buy, indicating a promising outlook. And when it comes to the price-to-book ratio, the experts are also shouting, strong buy, from the rooftops. However, things take a turn when we look at the return on investment. The analysts seem less enthusiastic, giving it a sell rating. Hey there, let's dive into the exciting world of Nikola stock signals. When it comes to the short and long-term moving averages, Nikola stock is showing some promising buy signals. This indicates a positive forecast for the stock. Not only that, but there's also a general buy signal from the relation between these two signals, with the short-term average being above the long-term average. So, even on corrections down, there is support from certain lines at $1.44 and $1.39. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, sell signals will be issued. But wait, there's more. The 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, is also giving a buy signal. Interestingly, despite gaining prices, the volume fell during the last trading day. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could be an early warning sign. It's definitely something to keep a close eye on. Now, let's talk about the not-so-great signals. Some negative signals have been issued and they may have an influence on the near short-term development of the stock. In fact, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, August 3, 2023, and the stock has fallen -51.40% since then. It seems like there could be further fall until a new bottom pivot is found. Hey there. Let's explore some fascinating signals that you might find interesting. First up, we have the moving average convergence divergence, which is giving a strong buy signal. Next, we have the pivots, indicating a sell signal that occurred 40 days ago. Bollinger Bands are showing a buy signal that happened 151 days ago. The short-term moving average is signaling a sell, which occurred just 6 days ago. On the other hand, the long-term moving average is giving a buy signal that occurred 4 days ago. And if we consider the relationship between the short and long moving averages, we have a strong buy signal that happened 4 days ago. Moving on, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. Here's what we find. The short moving average is indicating a buy signal that occurred 10 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average is giving a buy signal that happened 5 days ago. And when we consider the relationship between the short and long moving averages, we have another buy signal that occurred 13 days ago. Exciting stuff, right? Remember, you can find more signals like these on our page at StockInvest.us. Hold on tight. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Nikola. Brace yourself. Nikola has found solid support at $1.59, creating a potential buying opportunity. When this support is put to the test, we can expect an upward reaction. But beware, this stock is not for the faint-hearted. It's known for its wild swings in price, making it a very high-risk investment. In fact, the Bollinger Band predicts a wide range of possible outcomes. In the last day alone, the stock moved a staggering $0.185 or 12.33% between its high and low points. And over the past week, its daily average volatility has been a whopping 13.76%. Welcome back. Today, we'll be discussing the exciting world of trading and uncovering some amazing opportunities with Nikola. But before we jump right in, let's take a moment to understand the fundamental data that drives this market. Picture this: the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio, is like a secret code that reveals a company's true value. It measures the current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Fascinating, right? Now, here's the catch. If a company has a negative P/E ratio, it means they're experiencing some tough times. It could be due to external factors or even poor financial management. So, we need to be cautious when we see consistently negative P/E ratios. Breaking news. Brace yourself for the next earnings report. Mark your calendars for the eagerly awaited Q3 2023 report, scheduled to release on NOV-01, 2023. It's going to be a game changer. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report are at $0.150. These numbers hold immense power and can have a significant impact on stock prices. So, keep a close eye on them. Welcome back. Today, we're diving into some exciting day trading levels for Nikola. Brace yourself for a potential upward trend. The first resistance level for Nikola stands tall at $1.94. If you've been patiently waiting on the sidelines, this could be your cue to jump in. And for those already holding the stock, listen up. This could be a golden opportunity for some swing trading action. But what about the downside? Fear not, my friends. Nikola has its first support level, a solid foundation at $1.59. Picture this, a bounce-back scenario. Keep an eye on this level as it could be your ticket to a well-timed entry point, ready to ride the rebound wave. Hey there. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Nikola and exploring what analysts have to say about it. But before we get into that, let's take a closer look at some recent insider trades. On September 6, 2023, Pasteric Anastasia made a surprising move by conducting an insider sell of 6,709 shares of common stock. And just a few days earlier, on August 29, Vesco John C. decided to shake things up with an insider buy of 0 shares. But that's not all. On August 10, we witnessed some interesting insider activity. Mendez Carey sold 3,717 shares of common stock, while Pike Joseph R. sold a whopping 80,937 shares, and Worthen Britton M. sold a staggering 121,404 shares. Now, let's crunch some numbers. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of -25.390. Overall, insiders purchased a total of 2,447,081 shares and sold 4,810,497 shares in the last 100 trades. Are you ready for an exciting stock recommendation? Well, hold on tight. We've got a juicy one for you today with the potential for some serious gains. But before we dive in, let's talk about risk. This stock is known for its wild daily movements, which means it's not for the faint-hearted. However, we've done our analysis and believe it's worth the risk. So, without further ado, our recommended stop loss is set at $1.57, with a decrease of 5%. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty. We've identified a sell signal from a pivot top that occurred just 39 days ago. Wondering if investing in Nikola stock is a smart move? Despite the stock currently experiencing a downward trend, there are several positive signals in the short term that suggest a potential buying opportunity. Our analysis of the volatility and movements from the previous trading day indicates that the current price is overvalued. Expect Nikola to open with a decrease of $0.0383 and start trading at $1.61 on Friday, September 29. Are you ready to take on the trading world? But before you dive in, remember this: trading can be a roller coaster ride, with ups and downs that can put your money at risk. That's why it's crucial to consult with a financial advisor before making any moves. Don't rely solely on StockInvest.us for your investment decisions. By using our information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own choices and their outcomes. Hey there, fellow traders. Are you ready to dive into our current stock analysis? We can't wait to hear your thoughts, so don't forget to comment below and share your valuable insights. What's your target for this stock? We're all ears. And hey, If you haven't already, make sure to smash that like button and hit that subscribe bell to stay tuned for more exciting updates. Now let's jump right in and wish you a day filled with successful trading. Regards from the entire StockInvest team.